Hey there crew, Matt here with the Rhinestone World. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make this awesome rhinestone tumbler with over 3,000 stones with your vinyl cutter. So the different materials you're going to need, the blue material is the Magic Flock template material. The green heat transfer vinyl is our Caesar Mermaid glitter heat transfer vinyl. The magic material is the HTV anything material. And then I'm going to use my SS10 or 3mm diamond cut Mermaid rhinestones for this project. So you're going to cut the Magic Flock template material on your vinyl cutter. It can be a Cricut or a Cameo as well. Once you have your template cut, we're going to drop the stones into the template, brush these in. Now, once we're done brushing the stones in, we need what's called our hot fix tape, and that's what's going to release the stones from the template. Bring it over to the heat press, 320 degrees. I'm going to press the glitter heat transfer vinyl to the HTV anything first, and then I'm going to come back and press the rhinestones directly to the glitter heat transfer vinyl, 320 degrees for 20 seconds. Once that's done, I basically have a big sticker now. I'm going to bring the template over to my tumbler holder here, wrap it around my tumbler. The adhesive on the back is going to stick to the tumbler. Wrap the top, and we are done with this full rhinestone tumbler over 3,000 rhinestones. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this, make sure to click that subscribe button. Make sure to comment if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.